Okay, it's all yours. What's the motor? No! Oh. Still on, wait. Yeah, it's still here. They changed the motor out. No! What are these? I don't even know what kind of buttons these are.
What did they do to it?
Change the motor. Wait. It sounded like it was C sharp pitched, like an older Otis. Signature elevator's got it now.
Whoa. I don't like this thing.
I'll do one more time. Do you want to go again?
I was just looking.
All right, be quiet. All right, let's be quiet this time.
It's interesting, it doesn't have like that part that would normally be on that door. Yeah, well, shouldn't touch that.
See the intermediate call station. I'm pretty sure that one's still here too. This probably had one of those.
Yep, it's still there.
That one's a very bright. 1,800 pounds. Honestly, the call stations are the only things left of this elevator. I don't think this cab is original either.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it. That is nice.
Up. Otis.
Trying, it's not working.
It's like PTL or something. I don't even know. That sucks.
And here now.
And that's it. I guess it went up. All right, that's it.